Hey, what's up everybody? Dr. Emi here. We all know how important it is to take care of our bodies, and that includes our kidneys. They work hard filtering waste and toxins, so we need to show them some love. Now, restoring kidney health might sound complicated, but it could be as easy as heading to the grocery store. That's right. We're talking about the power of food. In this video, we're diving deep into the 7 best foods to help prevent kidney damage, protect those hard-working kidneys, and keep them functioning in tip-top shape. So stick around, because you won't want to miss this. First up, we've got a true superfood: blueberries. These little guys are packed with antioxidants, which are like little warriors fighting off those harmful free radicals in your body. Free radicals can cause inflammation, and inflammation can spell trouble for your kidneys. But don't worry, blueberries are here to save the day. They're like the tiny guardians of your urinary tract, helping to keep everything running smoothly. Plus, they're delicious. Add them to your yogurt, oatmeal, or just snack on a handful throughout the day. Your kidneys will thank you. Next up, we've got a vibrant veggie that's low in potassium but high in flavor: red bell peppers. These colorful vegetables are not only a feast for the eyes, but also a boon for your health, especially if you have kidney concerns. Potassium can be a concern for those with kidney issues, so it's important to choose foods that are naturally lower in potassium. High potassium levels can put extra strain on your kidneys, making it harder for them to function properly. Red bell peppers fit the bill perfectly. They are not only low in potassium but also packed with other essential nutrients that support overall kidney health. Plus, they're loaded with vitamins A, C, and B6, all of which play a role in keeping your kidneys healthy. Vitamin A helps maintain the lining of the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections. Vitamin B6 is crucial for breaking down proteins in the body, which can help reduce the workload on your kidneys. Vitamin C, for example, is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect your kidneys from damage. Antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can otherwise lead to inflammation and damage to kidney cells. So next time you're looking for a healthy snack or a colorful addition to your dinner plate, reach for a red bell pepper. They can be enjoyed in a variety of ways: raw, roasted, grilled, or even stuffed. Their sweet, crisp flavor makes them a versatile ingredient in many dishes. Incorporating red bell peppers into your diet is a simple yet effective way to support your kidney health. Whether you're adding them to a salad, stir-fry, or simply enjoying them as a crunchy snack, these vibrant veggies are a delicious and nutritious choice. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet with a variety of low-potassium foods can make a significant difference in managing kidney health. Red bell peppers are just one of the many tasty options available to you. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some red bell peppers and give your kidneys the support they deserve. Now let's talk about cauliflower, a true chameleon in the kitchen. This cruciferous veggie is low in potassium, just like our friend the red bell pepper, making it another great choice for kidney health. But cauliflower doesn't stop there. It's also a good source of fiber, which is important for digestion and can help regulate blood sugar levels. And let's not forget about the vitamins. Cauliflower is packed with vitamins C and K, both of which are essential for overall health. Roast it, steam it, or even rice it. The possibilities are endless. Number 4. Garlic, the aromatic staple in so many cuisines, isn't just about adding flavor to your dishes. This pungent bulb has some serious health benefits, especially when it comes to your kidneys. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Remember, inflammation is no friend to healthy kidneys, so garlic is here to fight the good fight. Plus, garlic can help lower cholesterol levels, which is beneficial for overall cardiovascular health and, in turn, kidney health. So go ahead and add an extra clove or 2 to your next meal. Your kidneys will thank you. Number 5. Apples an apple a day for healthy kidneys. Remember that saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away"? It's a phrase we've all heard countless times, but have you ever stopped to think about why apples are so highly regarded for our health? Well, it turns out apples are good for your kidneys too. These humble fruits are more than just a tasty snack. They are a powerhouse of nutrients that can support your overall well-being. These crunchy fruits are packed with fiber, which we already know is beneficial for digestion and blood sugar control. But did you know that fiber also helps in maintaining a healthy weight, which is crucial for kidney health? Fiber plays a significant role in removing waste products from your body, which takes some of the load off your kidneys. This is particularly important because your kidneys are responsible for filtering out toxins and waste from your blood. But that's not all. Apples are also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These elements are essential in protecting your kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can lead to chronic kidney disease over time. By incorporating apples into your daily diet, you're not just enjoying a delicious fruit, you're also taking proactive steps to safeguard your kidney health. The antioxidants in apples, such as quercetin and flavonoids, help neutralize harmful free radicals in your body. Plus, apples contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help protect your kidneys from damage. These compounds work together to reduce inflammation and improve overall kidney function. So, next time you're craving something sweet and satisfying, reach for an apple. Not only will it satisfy your sweet tooth, but it will also provide your body with essential nutrients that support kidney health. It's a win-win for your taste buds and your kidneys, so make apples a regular part of your diet and enjoy the numerous health benefits they offer. Your kidneys will thank you. Number 6. Olive oil liquid gold for your kidneys. Now, let's talk about healthy fats, specifically olive oil. This golden elixir has been cherished for centuries, not just for its rich flavor, but also for its numerous health benefits. This liquid gold is a staple in the Mediterranean diet, which is known for its health benefits, including its positive impact on kidney health. The Mediterranean diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats like olive oil, has been linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases, including kidney disease. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. These healthy fats are essential for maintaining the integrity of your cell membranes and providing your body with a steady source of energy. Remember, inflammation is a major culprit in kidney damage, so anything you can do to combat inflammation is a step in the right direction. Drizzle it over salads, and you'll not only enhance the flavor, but also boost the nutritional value of your meal. Use it for cooking, as it has a relatively high smoke point, making it suitable for sautéing and even light frying. Cooking with olive oil can help you create delicious and heart-healthy dishes that support your overall well-being. Or simply dip some crusty bread in it, a simple yet delightful way to enjoy its rich, fruity flavor. This can be a great appetizer or snack that not only satisfies your taste buds, but also provides your body with essential nutrients. Your kidneys will thank you for the flavor and the health boost. Incorporating olive oil into your diet is a delicious and effective way to support kidney health and overall wellness. So, next time you reach for a bottle of oil, remember the liquid gold that is olive oil, and let it work its magic on your health. Number 7. Fish dive into kidney health. Last but not least, let's talk about fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel. These swimmers are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential fatty acids that our bodies can't produce on their own. Omega-3s have powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which, as you know by now, is crucial for kidney health. They can also help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of blood clots, both of which are important for maintaining healthy kidneys. So, aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week for optimal kidney health. Outro 7 foods for a healthier you. So there you have it, folks. 7 incredible foods that can help reverse kidney damage and keep those filtration powerhouses in tip-top shape. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet can make a significant difference in your kidney health and your overall well-being. Don't forget to like, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel for more health tips and information. Until next time, stay healthy.